if I look at the way that this story, this war is conveyed here in Ireland, I hear a very one sided view portraying Israel as the only villain and not showing any responsibility of Hamas, again, not just for the attacks of October 7th, but how they're embedded in their population, how they use them as human shields, how they're still the humanitarian aid that
But
goes
knowing that,
in.
you see, what people find hard to accept is that knowing that Hamas is using ordinary Palestinians, women, children, men, old and young, as human shields, that yet Israel will go in. Because the excuse is under the rules of war, if they use a school, a hospital, an important piece of infrastructure as like water production or whatever, as human shields, that knowing that, and you have an excuse under the rules of war, but
Well, it's
but
not
it doesn't give a moral imprimatur to that action.
all of this moral. I think it was questioned by the operations of Hamas. They're committing double war crimes, triple war crimes. We need to protect ourselves from them, but we need the international community to call them out, to condemn them, to say it, to hold them accountable. We need the UN organizations on the ground who see this firsthand to say it publicly, and we don't hear them saying that. I ask the Irish people listening right now, when you criticize Israel, just raise more questions about the actions of Hamas and think what can be done inside Gaza by the UN agencies in order to actually help the Palestinian people. When you call out in the streets of Dublin, why are you not calling out for the release of the Israeli kidnapped
But
civilians, the babies that are there, the women that are there?